In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily add an outline to your image or even add some shadow effects using GIMP application. So this is the original image that I'm going to work with. Next, I'll show you how to add this nice white border line or even add this nice borderline and shadow effect. So first of all, what we have to do is add this original image to GIMP. So just drag and drop the image like this. Next, we have to make sure the image fits the screen. So just hit Ctrl+Shift+J on your keyboard. Okay, now here navigate to layers, right click and click on alpha to selection. And now you can see the object has been selected here. Next, what we have to do is right click here on the object, navigate to select and hit grow. Okay, and now in here we'll decide how big of the border we want around this image. So the bigger the value, the larger the outline is going to be. So let's say I'm going to choose 10. Okay, now you can see that the outline has grown and we want to fill this in with color white. So what I'm going to do is now navigate here to layers, right click and click on new layer. Now click OK. So select this new layer, navigate here to tools and select bucket fill tool. And we want the layer to be white, so select color white, click OK, and then just left click on this image. Okay, now you can see that the whole image is filled with color white. And what we have to do next is just drag this new layer underneath this original image, and that's it. Now we've got the original image with the outline. And if that's all you need, then you're good to go to File and Export as PNG. But if you also want to add that extra shadow effect, then what you have to do is right click again on this image, go to Select and Grow. And now right here we'll add another outline, but this time it's going to be for the shadow. So let's say I'll go with 15. Now you can see that the border has grown a little further again. And go back here to layers, right click again, add new layer again, click OK. And next what we have to do is now select bucket fill tool again and change the color. So let's say if I pick a different color now for the shadow, let's say this greenish color, click OK. Now again left click on the image, and here in the layers make sure you move this layer 2 below the layer 1 like this. So now you can see that we have the image, we have the original outline, and now we also have this second outline. But what we have to do next is go to select here, click on none, and then next we have to go to filters, blur, and then open Gaussian blur. And in here all you have to do is just choose the value of how much of the glow you want on your shadow. So let's say I'll go with something around 39, then click OK, and that's it. Now you've got the nice white outline and a bit of a greenish shadow on this PNG image. And now you can go to File, Export as, and then you can save this file back on your PC as PNG again. And that's it, guys. I hope this was useful, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.